What's going on, everybody? This is Lamar, and this is TFG News. A few things to get to today. In the meantime, if you would go ahead and click the like button, subscribe, comment if you will, and let's get started. I want to start with I'm gonna put my shades on for this because this is gonna be very controversial. We're talking about abortion, ladies and gentlemen. A little nervous to talk about it. Abortion in Texas, mind you, very conservative state supposedly, even though it almost turned blue in the last election. But Texas has a new law, and I'm going to read it verbatim because I don't want to get this wrong. Because I know talking about abortion is very controversial. I'm gonna keep my shades on, not to be cool, but I don't want y'all to see my eyes as I'm talking about it. How about that? All right, so this is the deal. This new law allows private citizens to sue abortion providers, the clinic, that's the clinic, and anyone who helps a woman obtain an abortion, including those who give a woman a ride, the Uber driver, the Lyft driver, the dude that drop you off and wait outside in the parking lot that probably help pay for it because he don't want no kids. Not only the person that drives you, but the person that helps you financially to get the abortion, meaning the dude that fronts the whatever it is, the amount, what is it, $400-500 I've heard, to get your abortion. Your mama and him. Any organizations, nonprofits that help you pay for your abortion. Let me continue. The law allows private citizens to sue. It's regular old Joe Blow, like me, regular people, anybody, to sue abortion providers, the clinic, the doctor, and anyone who helps a woman obtain an abortion, including those who give a woman a ride to a clinic or provide financial assistance to obtain an abortion. Private citizens who bring these suits don't need to show any connection to those they are suing. So just a stranger. So these folks that are standing outside of the clinics with the signs and all that telling you, don't do it, go, no, don't do it. These folks can sue the person that dropped you off in the clinic. It's not saying anything about the woman getting sued, which is interesting. They're suing the people that are helping you to do this. Let me continue to read the copy here they have. Okay, all right. It says the law makes no exception for cases involving rape or incest. And this law is one of the strictest abortion bans in the country. What does the Texas law prohibit? Let's go deeper. It bans abortions as soon as cardiac activity is detectable. That's around 6 weeks, which is before a lot of women know they are pregnant, according to this. And other states have tried to do this, but those laws have been challenged by abortion rights groups and blocked by federal courts again and again. But somehow now in Texas is different world. Let's see what else it says here. And while I'm saying this, by all means, comment. I'm curious to know what y'all think about this. I'm not gonna give my opinion. Well, I will give my opinion. I will after I finish reading. Um, Anyone who successfully sues an abortion provider under this law could be awarded at least $10,000. And to prepare for that, Texas Right to Life has set up what is called a whistleblower website where people can submit anonymous tips about anyone they believe to be violating the law. These lawsuits are not against the women. So there we go. The lawsuits would be against the individuals making money off the abortion industry itself. So this is not a spy on your neighbor and see if they're having an abortion type deal. Um, the law places a bounty on people who provide or aid abortions. This invites random strangers to sue them. Whoa, this is huge. One more thing? What does this law mean for patients and abortion providers? Dr. Bobbitt Kumar. I think I went to school with him. This is Texas we're talking about. I think we both went to Quest County High School. And I know Bobbitt became a doctor. I thought he went up north though. I think this is Bobby. I went to school with Dr. Bobby Kumar, family medicine doctor, who works for Planned Parenthood in Houston. Says the law creating a lot of uncertainty for patients and providers, but he says he will comply. However, he's concerned about people going out of the state. He said that's probably what's going to happen. But those that can't afford to go out of the state, what are they going to do? Are they going to be getting clothes hangers again? He didn't say that. I'm saying, are they going to get clothes hangers again? Are they going to throwing themselves down the stairs again? I don't know. Hope not. But you know. All right. What are my thoughts on this? I'm going to keep it brief and keep my shades on as I do. I believe in freedom. Anybody that saw any of my shows, my political shows, anything on this channel, I believe in freedom. I think people should be able to do whatever they want with their lives. I don't think the government should get involved with what people do with their lives. I think you should marry who you want, screw who you want, um, um, run your business how you want to run it, and do what you want with your body. However, I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't want my lady to get an abortion morally, not legally. Morally, to me, it's wrong for me morally, and everybody's morals and what they consider moral and right is different. And that's okay. I'm not gonna. I wouldn't. I'm not gonna judge anybody else that choose to do that if it's best for them. They feel like it's best for them. But I just wouldn't be able to do it. I'd be jacked up. I'd be worrying about what it could have been, would have been, should have been. I don't have any kind of thing about ooh the Lord gonna be mad or I don't have any feeling like that. No religious connection about it. It's just me, just lost for me. We're real tough about it, thinking about it, and that's just me. You know, a lot of people that are very strict in their beliefs on it, and that's okay. Everybody has a right. I like the way I like how we all have our own freedoms to decide what we agree with and what we don't. However, the law has spoken on this, so whether you believe it's okay or not, you get sued. You can get sued for aiding and abetting, if you will. Anyway, moving on from that. Yeah, and I think that is our show. I want you guys to tune in to the other shows in the TFG network. TFG stands for the Fault Group. I'm Lamar Fault. We have several channels, and I want you guys to continue supporting. We appreciate the support. Every Monday night, 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, we have TFG Tonight. It's our late night show hosted by Mr. Brendan Haynes and his team. Call him Brendan Haynes and Company. We have a sports show, I believe it's on Thursdays, Mr. Kendrick. And that's on our TFG Sports channel. Type that in your search, TFG Sports. We have on Wednesday nights on our channel All Black with 2Ks is the Brothers Radio Podcast. This is myself and a lot of hometown buddies talking crazy, entertaining. Every Thursday night on All Black, 2Ks. Myself and a couple of other gentlemen, DJ and Charles Moore, talking about headlines and relationship issues. Yeah, check out all those shows. We have a lot happening. We have also there's Mr. Black. Mr. Black, his show is on Saturdays, I believe, and on Fridays, I believe. He's on All Black as well, and also Real Talk for Real Men is his personal channel for his show. Check that out as well. We thank y'all for the support. If you haven't clicked the like button yet, now's a great time. If you haven't subscribed, do so. And I appreciate you guys for tuning in. This is Lamar, TFG News, over and